Wind the straps as shown. The strap that needs to be cut is stacked on top. Lift the handle with your right hand. Insert straps with your left hand. Stack the straps in parallel and release the handle. Press the tension in button. When the strap tension and strength is reached, release the switch knob. When you press the welding button, the hands leave. The plastic strap is welded and the redundant straps are cut off. Lift the handle and loose straps. Pull the machine to right side and away from the straps.